New York, September 16, 2020. Fans of Nabho Darshan know that Venus is the brightest planet. Researchers believe that life on Venus is possible based on the discovery of a gas called phosphine in the atmosphere of this planet called Venus, on the basis of which many microorganisms may be floating in the clouds of Venus. Phosphine, in which one particle of phosphorus and two particles of hydrogen are formed together. Phosphine has to do with life on Earth, associated with microorganisms found in the stomachs of animals such as penguins. This gas is emitted by microbacteria in the absence of oxygen. A study by Professor Jane Greaves and her colleagues at Cardiff University in Britain has been published in the journal Nature Astronomy. This article discusses the area where phosphine is found on vinyl. Most importantly, the phosphine atom must have formed naturally or non-biologically. Professor Jane Greaves and her colleagues monitored Venus at the Mauna Kea Observatory in Hawaii using the James Clerk Maxwell Telescope and the Atacama Large Millimeter Airy Telescope in Chile. It was during this time that the spectral signature of phosphine was discovered, after which scientists said that there was a lot of phosphine gas in the clouds of Venus. Greaves said that according to the information received about the planet Venus, it is not known what the inorganic source of phosphine is. That is why the possibility of life on the planet Venus can be considered. Thus, life on Venus is less likely than on any other planet in the solar system because Venus has a large layer in the atmosphere that contains a large amount of carbon dioxide. Atmospheric pressure is about 5%, and the atmospheric pressure on Venus is 20 times greater than on Earth, which is why any living thing can boil on Venus in just a few seconds. For more details, kindly go to ift.tt/3bjf3. Please support our channel to grow by pressing subscribe button as well as the bell icon for daily science and technology updates. Thank you.